This is one of the songs that is a popular Tahitian song. It's called Wahiti Te Marama. Each day through my window, I watch her as she passes by.
Delicious. Oh my God. Yeah, what's your name? Me and my wife, Tell her to try something. She don't even know what it is.
Ew, I didn't think I want to eat this.
You don't like meat?
I don't even, this looks like pig meat.
Well, maybe it is pig meat, but it's, just eat the good part. They're over there making my corn. Yummy, yummy.
Get a tattoo right here.
Oh,
We can do so.
You gonna get a tattoo today?
Go check out the Uso King and Papa Polynesian Tattoo.
Stop acting that way.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Great time so far, and the night is young, and there's only more good vibes to come. So. Each day through my window, I watch her as she passes by. I say to myself, you're such a lucky guy to have a girl like her. It's truly a dream come true. Out of all the fellas in the world, she belongs to you. Well, it was just my imagination running away with me. It was just my imagination running away with me.
Standing across the room, I saw you smile. Said I wanna talk to you for a little while. But before I make my move, my emotions start running wild. My tongue gets tied, and that's no lie. I'm looking in your eyes, looking in your big brown eyes. Oh yes, and I got to say this to you, yeah. Girl, I want to make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna put some more. Girl, I want to make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And oh yeah, la 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 la, la 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 la, yeah. Sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it some more. La 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 la, la 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 la, long, long, long.
and singing it, and I was like, oh my God, I'm home, you know. So this is one of the songs that is a popular Tahitian song. It's called Wahiti Te Marama. Wahiti te marama, ki te popoi e. Loko kia kia ngarai a koe. Wahiti te marama, ki te popoi e. Loko kia kia ngarai.
Short story. I twisted my ankle at work this Thursday. So this song is called Broken Ankle. Oh, this song comes from Hawaii. Every way will whisper.
They look cool, don't they? Hey, look who that is.
In a gentle breeze and sunset stays on an endless sea. Love returns.
That's what I said. If you're doing nothing this weekend, give me a call. 'Cause if we can hook up, baby, please let me know. 'Cause I told her, 'cause I'm young, free and single, I just want to mingle with you, lady. Please, sorry.
Sunday morning rain is falling. Steal some cover, share some skin. Clouds are shrouding round us, moments unforgettable. We twist to fit the mold that I am in. But things just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. And I'll gladly hit the road, get up and go, if I knew that someday it would lead me back to you. That someday it would lead me back to you. That may be all I need. In darkness, He is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me.
Oh, I got one earlier with them together like that.
Go with the dog. Driving slow on Sunday morning. I don't ever want to leave. That may be all I need. Darkness is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me.
But I hope you make it to be happy again.
I said her wearing her Sherpa hat and playing with the babies.
To understand it's time, but I hope you.
Stuff. So this was actually one of the songs that a couple of friends of mine and I put together in high school, and it actually kind of blossomed into a really cool, fun song, and I thought I would share it with you guys today. So this one's called It's Possible.
Sitting in the cold with my arms around you, keeping you warm. I never thought it could be this thing, you and me, but now I know. Feeling your touch takes me away to another place, and I know that it's possible to fall in love under the stars.
Come and get your love. Come and get your love. Come and get your love. I said, come and get your love, come and get your love, come and get your love now. I said, hey, nothing will matter with your mind and your body. Looks so divine. Come and get your love. Come and get your love.
That I've been searching for. He had ehu hair, a flower in his ear, and bongo shorts. He's my honey baby, my honey baby, yeah, he's my honey baby.
Everybody knows.
Watching the ships roll in, then I watch them roll away again. Oh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time.
Aloha kako, aloha everyone. Who here has ever actually been to Hawaii? Okay, about half. Okay, I'm gonna pull my lovely boyfriend up here for a second. He looks so ashamed right now. Come on, babykins. My love, Martin. My Reese's Pieces cup.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we done got to the part of the show y'all been waiting for. Well, one of the parts of the shows, but we wanted to take some time to do a little bit of some audience participation. So, brother Dwayne and the boys. I've been informed that Dwayne and the boys. I'm not quite sure who that includes, but if you want to dim boys, and y'all want to do some audience participation, I'm looking at all y'all fellas in the back having the party, okay? But if you guys want to join Brother Dwayne, Jocko is going to be teaching a quick whakaupaki. Everybody say whakaupaki?
Whakapaki.
I know it sounds like a bad word. It's not. It's not. I promise. It's not a bad word. The whakaupaki is known as the slap dance. Now, in Samoa, so I hear, because I have not had the pleasure of going back yet. My parents left me when they went back to visit. They left me because I had to go to school. So the slap dance is, in Samoa, not many people have AC. So when it's all hot and everywhere you go, you cannot escape the mosquitoes. Do any of you guys get attacked by mosquitoes like me? They literally come for me. They say I got sweet, sweet blood. But this is also known as the mosquito dance. So Jocko is gonna teach you fellas a couple of moves, and these are grade A quality moves to get those mosquitoes out of your way. If you don't have bug spray, they don't got, what's that stuff called, DEET? They don't got DEET down there. They don't got off. They don't got nothing but their hands and their feet. So we are just gonna be back here jamming on these drums. This metal can right here, it's called an appa. This wooden drum right here is called a pake. And we're just gonna, and that big old boy right over there, that big pahu drum right there, oh well, it's called a pahu drum. So we are going to be, you guys are just gonna follow Jocko's lead. He's gonna show you guys a couple of mosquito killing moves. Don't be scared, guys. We're bigger than the mosquitoes.
Check it out. Alright, you guys ready? Alright, first, hand right here. Hand right here. There you go. You look at your hand. Yeah. Go. There you go. One more time. Nice. Like this. Right? Not like this.
It's not a tippy tap. It's a slappy slap. No tippy tap. We want the slappy slap. Yeah.
Stay low. That's where all the power coming from, huh? The power. Stay low, squat down. Love it. Nice. Spread up a little.
I think those mosquitoes are running for the hills right now.
Oh, yeah, I don't know if I can 1, 2, 3, 4.
Slap yourself, slap yourself. Yeah.
Harder.
Give it up for our fellas. Hey, if you guys need professional mosquito killers and you can't get yourself done.
Got me going. One, two, three, four.
Lower.
Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for these mosquito killing machines. Thank you guys, great job. I'm gonna be calling you guys at the end of summer. That's when the mosquitoes come out for their last revenge. And Jess Pupuali'i have started a Fire Knife Academy here on the western side of the state called Tupuleafi, and they serve the kids of, let's see, I know there's kids from Seattle, I know there's kids from Lacey. Jess, can you tell us where some of the other students are from? Auburn, Tacoma. They're coming in heavy from all over, and so tonight we have a couple of our students here to show you guys a little bit what they've been learning these last couple of months. And luckily for all of us, it is not only just for the boys to play with fire. You know what I mean? So our next person coming up, our young, wonderful person, is Silhouette, and she's going to do her thing with the flame. Here we go. Silhouette, welcome to the stage. Pictures with our Siva Afi warriors, you are welcome to do that.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go.
It is Korean fried chicken day. Woohoo! This is what it looks like when it's done. When it's done, it is super crispy and super juicy and tender on the inside. My first time making it. I guess I should eat some of this, but oh my gosh, this Korean fried chicken is extra crispy. Excuse me, I've been drinking and making food for like 7 hours. Let's try it. Oh my god, it's so juicy. Look at that. Wow. I'm glad I spent so much time waiting for this chicken. It's delicious. Oh my god. It is so good. Let's get on with the show and see what happens next. Tom's gonna try something she don't even know what it is.
Ew, I didn't think I want to eat this.
You don't like meat?
I don't even, this looks like pig meat.
Well, maybe it is pig meat, but it's, just eat the good part.
Hold on.
Let's see. Well, how is it? Soft?
Mm-hmm.
Is it soft? That's what it's supposed to be, soft.
I can tell it's pig meat.
Yeah, pork, in other words, right? Is it bad?
No.
Okay.
It's good.
Can I watch? Here's mommy plate. The veggies. And I'm just showing you this stuff to say that I still cook. There's teriyaki chicken for acapella and Silhouette. That's what they wanted. And last but not least, on the ticket. Oh yeah. Let's take a bite. Mm-hmm.
Maka, I don't think I can give
That
you.
is sweet and delicious. Yum. Yum. Alright, let's get on with the video.
Behave just so you notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.
Hey, so we are it's Samoan Culture Week, and we are at the PACIFIKA Food Festival. They're way over there, tons of tents of food. Silhouette will be performing tonight as well. We're getting our goodies. Here's Mama. Hello. Say hi, Mama. Hi. Hi, Mama. Okay. So we are in Tacoma, Washington. We got policemen here, everybody. Sound like they're giving away stuff. We're gonna walk over there. Jocko and Jess and Jocko Jr.'s here. So they're coming with us, and little Tupu, he's riding on the cart we bought. I just bought that cart today from Walmart, so to help lug all our stuff. They got music playing, people all around. There is probably more Samoans here than anywhere near by our house at all. So we got dancers over here getting ready to boogie woogie, do some Siva Samoa. Oh, and we want some food. Let's go check it out. They got a place here called Nacho Tani. I knew there was a Tani tacos from last year. I don't know. Nacho Tani, I haven't seen that one.
Come on up here, Tay.
I think that is the Tani taco maybe from last year. There's sour
Ladies
sweet.
and gentlemen,
There's
we're going to bring up Tay, one of
local
our
something.
title sponsors. He's representing Push for Dreams. So
Must be the VIP tent
to the
over
work
here.
that we're doing to support one another. We're just so super grateful.
As you can see, there's the stage right
$5
there.
raffle tickets. We're going
We
to give
have
away TV
Big
here
Goose
shortly.
Radio.
Go to the Big
I know
Goose
it's
Radio
loud, you probably can't hear me.
and purchase yourself
There's
a
like, I don't know, the
$5
telephone
raffle
there,
before we
yeah.
read the next raffle.
Pretty nice
Kings.
little setup they have here.
Welcome back.
A lot of stores. Let's go check them out.
Okay.
So
Go check out
Silhouette like
Soft
that.
Sweets, y'all. Check out Chicken Tacos. Check out Loud. Heifers
Well,
on
let's see.
site.
Let me ask her. Hold that. Film. Yep. We're getting the Samoa Way sign, probably for Silhouette's bedroom door.
Tacos, y'all.
Handy tacos. Oh, I just heard they had the place here again.
Tacos.
They had some good corn last year. I want that corn, man. Oh, they got some nice big hats. Like the big hats.
Father's Kitchen.
Mommy's gonna come check out
Go
some
check
stuff
out
here.
Taco Tattoo right here.
Oh,
You can do so.
You gonna get a tattoo today?
Go check out the Uso
What?
King and Papa
Want to?
Polynesian Tattoo.
Stop acting that
We're doing
way.
live news, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, look, Fiji, Bula.
Also, go check out Chiku Life.
They got the Pacific Savages, the motorcycle club. Got some more nice clothes here. Oh, look at the turtle one. I know you love turtles, so they're thinking about getting some of these EAs. EA Lava Lava. Silhouette likes this one with the turtles on it. Pretty, huh? A lot of nice stuff here. Is this your store? Carol's Creations, cool. How long have you had it? If I can film you.
5 years now.
5 years?
Yep.
Awesome.
5 years.
A lot of nice stuff.
This one right here?
So she's getting that, and mommy's getting that one. That one's pretty. I'll probably steal that from mama so I can wear it.
Oh, the lumpia was so good, J Smooth.
Oh, someone's talking about eating lumpia. Yeah, I want to walk around and eat too, but for now we're just looking at the stores first. Mom and Silhouette both got something they wanted. My turn now, huh? Hey, look at these sweat hoodies. It says Poly Dope. Poly Dope, that's cool. Those are nice. Poly Dope.
Shout out to DJ.
That must be new slang. I'm too old to understand it. So, got nice stuff there. Pretty dresses. A lot of Guam stuff. Got some different sauces or something there. I don't know what that is. Let's see. I really want some food. Hummingbird, Sound Transit. Mom wants to check a tattoo place out. She thinks she's gonna get a full tattoo here. The tattooing queen wants more tatao. I told her, just hold off on that. We're not gonna stand around for an hour while you get a tattoo. I got to eat. I'm starting to think bringing Aseka was the wrong idea. She is spending like 15 minutes at every store just looking. Women shop, men buy. Don't forget that. We're gonna go over here with Jocko and Jess because we can ask them what time they want Silhouette to be ready to get set up for the performance, because they're doing that here today. So Jocko's getting a picture with Silhouette. They're taking photos, and I'm busy looking at the chicken on the barbecue grill. I'm so hungry, man. So I am looking. I got Barbecue Queen, Seattle Seahawks. Well, that's just a Sayano. They're doing bro burger, cheeseburgers, hamburgers. Mom wants some muli pipi. I don't know if they have that here. Taste of the Islands. Let me see what their sign says. Do they have any? Let's see what they got. No, I don't see it here. They may not have that here. I don't know. Got shaved ice here. Shaved ice. Let me keep going. Sorry, I'm just rambling today. Let's see. Oh, here you go. Honey, out. We found some. So we're coming up here because they want some food. Ooh, what they making here? Got muli pipi. E. So they just put it on the grill, and so they're going to come back in 30 minutes. So we'll look at some other places too here as we walk. The crowds are pretty huge here for the food.
Hey, hey! Hey, hey!
Hey, hey!
You know you're Samoa when you hear this. I get wild in the club. I get wild in the club. Ah, you can do better than that. I get wild in the PACIFIKA Food Festival.
Just try to pump
Everybody say, Choo-hoo! Choo-hoo! We're gonna have a choo-hoo competition.
Oh, there's Taney Tacos.
Yeah.
I want to get that corn if they have it this year. There goes the owner. And they got some dancers coming up here, but she said it's 2 over. I can get some corn. I'm gonna go check it out. Now I'm gonna apologize right here because you see that they have some performers there, and there's a lot of dancing and stuff. I got so sidetracked just looking for food. And also I ran into a fan of the channel, and I didn't jump the fence, but I walked around the fence to like a cricket field. You see the gentleman here, and I and I went up talking to him for like 30 minutes. I missed a lot of the performances, but you'll get to see some hopefully. But I appreciate you guys watching. Much love, and let's continue the show. They are over there making my corn. Yummy, yummy. A second's gonna show. This is why I love this corn. I love any corn like that.
Can you tell?
There's no
messy, but it's good. Turn off.
So I'm looking for some porta potties or bathrooms. This year seems a little more hectic than last year. The way it was laid out, even though it was hot in the parking lot, it was laid out a little more, I don't know, convenient, I think.
Yeah, man.
What's your name?
Me and my wife, we want to y'all.
Cool. Can I smoke over on that side?
Yeah, you got to.
Can I drink on this side?
You gotta do all that. I'm pretty sure you can do it right there.
I'll come around.
Yeah.
Well, I met a couple friendly guys that said, hey, you're that guy. I said, yeah, I'm that guy. What a guy. They said, oh, that's Taina Samoa Tamafala. I said, that's it. I asked if I could smoke over there or have a drink over there. He said, yeah. And the guy in the car was like rolling up some papers like, you want to smoke some weed? I'm like, oh, no, I don't do that. But let me go take a break before the performance. It looks like over here, you know, we have the PACIFIKA Food Festival, but over here, you got people barbecuing, and it looks like they're playing something in the field. Maybe they're playing rugby or something. Let's go check it out. So they are definitely playing something over there. I can't tell. Oh, it's the cricket. Maybe cricket. I see like wickets. I know nothing about cricket, so looks like got some guys and out here, maybe some gals out there too. I can't tell, but looks like they're having fun. I better get out of the street. People are coming at me. They're cooking.
Look at him up there. Hey, ain't you there?
There's his wife.
Yo, you the dude with the Tamafala, bro?
Hey, not only did we meet some new friends today, he has his own YouTube channel. Check that out. That's marketing right there. Jungalaya, check it out. You see this main man right here?
Hit me up, man.
For those single
Just
ladies.
met,
No,
bruh.
I don't know if he's there. I better not say that.
Nice to meet you.
Maybe single ladies don't hit him up, right?
Oh, yeah, no, not me, man. We take it, man.
All right, for
yeah,
sure.
Man, shout out to y'all, man.
So nice meeting you.
Thank
Check
you,
out his
brother.
channel.
Yep.
All right. Peace, guys.
All right, man.
All right, we'll see you later. Oh, I like some of them tank tops right there. Those are nice, huh? Those are pretty sweet. Yeah, I just got done hanging out with Zuso up there by the cricket field. Now I'm gonna go hang out with my wife because my daughter's getting ready to perform soon. All right, we'll see you
Ladies and gentlemen, another big round of applause for Cuerava.
Jump on, Mason, go get him. You sit. Super, sit down. Sit down. Jump on, sit down.
Bye. contest.
The Dolomite, the Dolomite!
Choo, choo, choo!
The Dolomite, the Dolomite!
Choo, choo,
Check it out, check it out. Remember there was only one fire. Now we have a surprise for you. Make some noise for Jacko!
Bye. Malo lava.
They got the pisupo, the muli pipi, the pua'a. Probably get the manipua, pua'a, and turkey tail from Mama. We're getting some mango otai, 24-ounce sunk cup. Mommy, while I'm waiting for the turkey tails. Yeah, pase kuat.
Thank you. Have a good day.
So mommy got her mango otai, and I got to come back in 30 minutes for the manipua and the turkey tails.
All families and friends, but most of all,
This is getting like crazy. Some of the food stalls are like sold out here, which tells you should be here a lot earlier. Be here a lot earlier than we were. Oh, they got a SIVA Academy going on up there.
To my right, Uno Tapate, our secretary, and to my left, Sylvia.
Oh my gosh, it's crowded. I feel like I'm in Savai'i or Tutuila. I've never been surrounded by this many soles before.
Reminds us that no matter where we are in this world.
Here comes mommy running. It's mango otai. It's like a Tongan drink.
Thank you.
Can I have the money back then? Your turkey tails, I placed an order for 2 pork manipua and 2 turkey tails, and I have to wait 20 minutes. He said, you got to stay here or other people are going to buy it. So, is everyone leaving? Oh, so make sure all our stuff, we got everything.
Everybody, appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for you guys coming to support parents. Even though you guys have your busy schedule, thank you for being here, especially supporting these your performance. Thank you again for coming out and Nancy as well. And all you guys, second students, you guys did well today. We get better as we go. You know, even though some of you guys
You should get a cool hat. Look, you get a winter hat that says Samoa. That's cool. You like that one? You like this one or you like this? What are you pointing at? This or this?
I like the...
So which one you want? Which one? How much are the combs? 15. They're 15 if you want those.
I want the white one.
Huh?
This one?
Okay. She loves those hair things. I tried to convince her to get a hat so I could wear it instead of her. But you know me, pretty much I'm just buying for other people. Let's see that. Fiji. Oh, that's pretty. Look at those trays. That's pretty, huh? You like those trays? Where's Papua?
Yes, sir. Papua, yeah.
Where? Where's it near?
It's next border to PNG. You know PNG, right? North of Australia.
Oh, okay.
North of Australia.
Here,
it's in the middle of the equator.
Oh, yeah, it's in the bag.
Give me.
It's hard when I'm holding on stuff.
You got some money? Here, a donation.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Would you like to take some brochures?
Sure, of course. Thank you so much. I got one. Thank you.
What is it? Number and stuff down there.
Thank you, sir.
You can search for it and look up for more information.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for stopping by.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
And the Rainier Scholars Tacoma. Giving $5 for a free West Papua. Oh, they got Toa Samoa. Lots of people here today for sure. she's coming by to see if they got a bag, and then we're gonna head home because Acapella is not feeling well. The sun is really bothering her. So when Mommy got her food she wants, her 2 manapua, turkey tail, and pork. I think we throw that. Let's see. That's the pork. That's the turkey tail.
I see it.
And then she's gonna get a bag, and then we're gonna go. How you like that? That's a cool looking hoodie. We got her the bag, and it comes with a matching wallet.
Oh, that's nice.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so we are headed out. Got our food. Still lots of people here. There's still lots of entertainment. I'm kind of sad that we're gonna miss that because some of the singers are some of my favorite, especially a guy named Dinah. He's a wonderful singer. He actually has his own channel too. I think it's called A Boy Named Dinah, D-Y-N-A. Check it out. He's a wonderful singer. And that's it. If I don't record it after this, we love you. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time. 1, 2, 3. Peace. You did peace. Give a peace. Peace.
I was trying to do it.
Pork and turkey tail. They're manapua turkey tail. You gonna grab one? Try it? Which one you want? Pork or turkey tail one?
Turkey tail pork.
Which one you gonna try? Well, grab it. I'm going super slow for you.
You know Jocko used to go here?
I just want you to try one so I could film it.
Okay. Oh, it's hot. It's hot as hell.
Oh, it's been in the bucket for half an hour now.
Oh,
Come on, chicken. Well, is it turkey tail?
That's turkey tail.
Let me see it. The picture. And how's it taste?
It's good.
Okay, say your goodbyes.
Bye.
Bye.
It's good. It's hot. It's good. It's hot.
It's good, it's hot. Okay, here we go. Try to get out of this traffic jam here. As you can see, it's still crowded. All right, peace.